The BSc in Construction Project Management at USW is an industry-focused degree. It equips the students with the skills and the knowledge needed to manage and deliver successful construction projects. We scaffold as we go through, so the students' knowledge increases year on year. They learn an understanding of project management techniques, construction technologies, budgeting and financial constraints. The students do digital technologies. It's a lovely hands-on module that they really enjoy. So we do CAD work with them. They fly drones. There's a bit of VR. It's quite immersive, and it's using the technologies which we're using in the field. Students will go into project management. They might be site managers, building surveying, construction. There's a wide range of pathways that our students end up going through. I think the most important thing is to be able to prepare the student that when they leave here, they understand and know that they're going to be seeing stuff that we've done in university. Being able to relate what we've done in the classroom to what we're doing at work just makes all the difference. It's real.